Today we're doing a redo of the jelly soap. Like last time, you'll need half a cup of soap, unflavored gelatin, but this time we're using 2 packs, hot water, and salt. Let's get started. So first you're gonna add the salt. First we're gonna add the salt in. A teaspoon of salt. Guys, oh my goodness. Almost forgot, stir the salt until it dissolves. Now we're adding the gelatin, guys. One. Now we're going to start stirring this. Mix it very well. After let it dissolve. It's like glue. Hot glue. You guys. So sticky. Well, luckily this is hand soap, so I have to wash my hands. Now I'm gonna add my soap. Ooh, add that good stuff. And I think it's gonna have the color. Let's start mixing the soap in. Look. Here's our mold. Now it's time to add it in. Let's do egg number 1. Good. Good. Now we're going to set this in the refrigerator and we'll let you know the results when it's solid. See you guys. Guys, I put these gave us such a better result than the last ones. And I put these in for 2 hours and did the ingredients correctly. And if you're wondering what these are, those are bubbles. Now I'm going to pop them out. Didn't work like last time. The other ones were jiggly. They came out perfectly good. Let's pop you guys out. Look at these. It's not even candy. You can wash your hands with it. Ooh, so cold, so juicy. Look at this small one I made with the rest. Now I can wash my hands with homemade soap. Okay, let's pick which one. Who's gonna go for this one? Ooh, look at this. It works. Make sure to rinse it off when you're done. Oopsie. I have to tell you guys, do not dye it. Because when you get it wet, it's going to be like that. But I did it for color purposes. But it washed out the sink really good.